already, so they didn't talk to me, so I did not know that. Thank you very much. I like to be with you because you have a lot of positive energy. This is Chi Chi seniors. They are so young and they are very active. We can start this slogan, 奇迹长照，青春年少. Please listen to the performance.
站台上微微笑就好了哈，阿妈直接分享，是。
Yeah, we will have a grandma to share with us. Yeah, the others please stay there and then smile. She's a recycling volunteer. Her name is Xu Liu Buchan.
97岁的阿嬷呢，当然讲的是台语，还好有文字，要不然我们大陆的家人对不起了，就是全部都听不懂了。然后呢，我们的口译团队也听不懂台语。
She's 97 years old, and she's talking in Taiwanese. Luckily, she has some picture and PPT and articles. Because our interpretation group do not understand Taiwanese.
嘿，
My name is Liu Buchan, and I am 97 years old. I'm still very healthy, and because every week from Monday to Friday there is a small yellow bus to pick her up and then drop her to Jiuru Community Hall to go to the class. She's very happy to come to the class. She never have any day absent during these so many years. So she's the only one is always present student. We all call her Simu. And in the afternoon, she is sitting in her balcony. And what she's doing, she's sorting out the copper wire. She's doing very quick. And inside the plastic bag, there is a lot of red copper. Ask them why she's not putting on the gloves. Because she said that if she put on the gloves, she's not doing so fast. She said that, Master, I love you. I will do the recycling and love the earth. During these 30 years, she's doing recycling and she's always present. She's the kitchen staff as well. In the recycling center, she's always laughing and people listen to her laugh and they are laughing as well. And Amma said that she'd like to share about the benefits to work for